have reinforcements for the chassis of the box body Mustang. See that they have so many like aftermarket like options for reinforcing the chassis so much is really cool. Old cars kind of need that extra like stiffness and boost to keep them in like brand new like driving condition. This is probably like, I don't know, I've seen a lot of Supras, but this is crazy. The steering wheel feature is something that I really like actually. It gives you a lot of room to get into the car, but it's like, it's still like very cool for the era. I really like that style. I think that's really cool that he incorporated it into the build.
What are we looking at here, Rye?
Datsun. They're so sick. And this one specifically have very modern touches on it, like they have cameras for the mirrors instead of having like normal mirrors. You can tell they put a lot of like love and care into making sure this build all was like cohesive, but it all still kept like the original like charm of how the Datsuns were originally built. I really like it. I wanted to talk a little bit about these gauges actually. So these are really, really cool. Especially I love the color of these. Actually matches my interior color. The lights on the dash and the radio of my car all look like this. It has some really cool features that the people at the stand had talked about. These models actually flash when the temperature gets above a certain threshold. You can set the temperature or the boost or whatever gauge you choose to go with. If the gauge surpasses that limit, it will start flashing at you so you know that your car is acting up or something's wrong.
Both of mine, I just started last year because I got it in stock for $11.
Yeah.
But it's quite expensive in Amazon.
Really? Oh yeah, I know. I always have.
Do you have it registered in California?
That it's a stand right now, and they have this new plant-based oil that they've been testing for a while. It did a lot better, like significantly better in a lot of areas compared to other oils that are just conventional. Because this could be a really sustainable thing to have in the future. I'm really excited to see where this goes, and I'm hoping that they do more with this. This is actually a Miata that is, his name is Lee. He owns this car. They put a Hidemitsu wrap on this, which is so cool. I really, really love the look of this. We got to talk to him a little bit and hear more about like what he did. I really, really love these rims. I think that they go so well with the car. That what he's done with this car has made it a perfect in-between balance of performance, but also looks cool.
What do you think, Rye? Do we need these on the FC?
These ones. I'm gonna go throw this away. Refueling. I literally had a stuffed animal named Kitty. That was the stuffed animal, so she like pushed it out of the way.
That's you?
Yeah, that's me.
Never actually used it
The
before.
picture. Oh wait, yes. This thing.
But I've never actually used it.
And say some stupid shit.
Some stupid shit.
Yeah.
I knew.
Look at that, she's following 200 now, and I think I was number 200, so do I get a star? I'm your 200th.
You get a gold star for that one. I make stickers, I'll send you a free one. I'll send you some free stuff.
Yeah.
Super nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'm really glad
Adios,
that we
sir.
could like
Yeah,
meet
get that little,
just by chance in here. Like that was
Had
so
a good
cool.
time.
Yeah, we'll stay in touch.
Yeah.
What?
So we just came back from the media center. We actually met some really, really cool people, and I made some really cool connections with some of the people there. Place is the best place to sit and kind of just relax if you're looking for a place to chill before going to your next big event, which is what we are walking to right now, is actually going to be the coolest event that by far I've been able to be set up with to experience, is a Optima drifting event. I will be going on a ride along through the whole track that they have set up there. I think they have like a crazy like dinosaur statue in the middle, which is super sick. I'm really excited. I'm gonna be getting some footage from inside the car and outside too, so you guys will see more of that. Optima car?
What are
your feelings?
A little bit nervous, but really excited because I've never been in a drift car before, like a professional one. So I'm really looking forward to like the feeling or like what it'll be like. But I can't guarantee exactly what I'm gonna experience.
Yeah, a lot of feelings.
That was the coolest thing I've ever done.
What do we catch here? Do we catch a fan?
Yeah. we ran into someone. That was so sweet. That's actually gonna like make me emotional. Just ran into someone who follows my Instagram account, and I feel like that doesn't happen very often, or at least it hasn't happened the whole time we've been here. No. It's Aura. It's Aura. It's called Aura.
To a white, so it tells you how hot you got it.
Yeah.
And then the orange goes to a yellow at about 1,000, and then the red is like 1,300 degrees.
Okay. What interested me most is that they have these colored carbon shift knobs back here, which are really beautiful. I really do like this like red toned carbon. I imagine grabbing one of these to shift into first gear when you're driving your car to a long day at work. That's pretty crazy. So small.
What do you say?
They're so funny looking. They're rare. They're rare, right? They're really rare. You don't ever really see these, but like they're so hated in the community.
What's our takeaway on Vegas weather so far?
I don't like it. The drift staying.
Alright, what's about to happen, Riley?
Oh my gosh! It's the car! Yeah. It's so cool!
Riley, what kind of car is that?
I don't know.
Is that an RX-7?
No.
Is that an RX-7?
No, this is a Corvette.
It's an American RX-7.
It's a Corvette! I don't even have anything to say. Like, honestly, that's just really impressive. It's a very cool VIP build. I do enjoy these.
Look at the little drawings on the windows here too.
The katana in the back.
You want these in your car?
No, I don't think so. Maybe not on my FC, but definitely on another car for sure. Z.
Oh wait, holy shit. I think this is a 400R.
Yeah. That's insane. You don't see these every day. Look at the engraving that they have on the lights there. Like, that's so sick. The car is on right now, which is crazy that we get to like hear it and stuff.
I think they're trying not to kill the battery.
Ah, that makes sense.
Somebody EP?
Yeah, I'm a little tired today. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a lot of walking and my feet feel like they're about to fall off, honestly. Oh, that's so cool. Wait, look. Fades into the carbon fiber.
How's it going?
Good. Sorry, we're just like, I love this. I really like this one. This one, I don't know. I kinda have favoritism a little bit. I don't know. So actually we were wrong. That must not be the only 400R there is because there's another one right here.
Huh?
Really cool about this stand that I really appreciate is that they do have a full list of parts that they have on the car. This is already such a rare car. I feel like you don't ever really see companies, especially listing every single thing that they have.
What did we finally find?
Okay, so we finally, after looking for like eons, we finally freaking found the full carbon Datsun that everyone's been talking about here. This is actually just insane. The whole ground around it is wet.
The focus in the eyes. Was posting. This is content creation.
It's hard world out here. My God. Okay. So right now, we're heading to Toyo Tires. This day, low-key, has been the most chill day and the most like underwhelming day because we pretty much moved the whole entire show. We went outside, we went inside, talked to some amazing companies, but now we're just kind of like exploring and going to see the things that we already did but we didn't like thoroughly check out. So we're trying to find the Toyo Tires exhibition, but we don't know where it is. So